Good morning, computer programmers. Welcome back to grade 10 computer engineering. We've all had a wonderful Christmas break, but it's time to get back to work. So what we're going to do first thing this morning is jump right in, and I'm going to show you how to download Xojo if you haven't already done that. There's a link already posted on Edsby. You can follow through that if you want to do it on your own if installing a new piece of software is not a concern for you. But if it's something you haven't done before, you can certainly watch along. So we're going to start by simply going to Google and typing in Xojo download. Click on the link. And here we have the spot where I'm going to choose my download file. Now you're going to need to create an account. So if you click on that link, it'll take you to a spot to put in an email address. Pretty straightforward. However, am going to sign in because I already have an account. So I'm going to type in my address and then password. I'm going to keep signing in on this one. Okay, we'll get it to save that password for me. And I am now going to download for Windows. If you have other platforms that you want to download for example, a Mac, just click down below. So there, my file is now downloading. It's going to take me a minute or two. So while that's downloading, I'll let you know that if you want me to, I can create another short video to show you how to download for a Mac. The process for how we're going to run the course will be outlined for you on Edsby. So if you read through that closely, you're going to see all of my expectations. Please make sure you do read it closely. And if you have any questions, send me a direct message on Edsby. That will be the best way for you to ask me questions directly, and then I will respond directly to you. All right, we got another 30 seconds left, give or take. I hope everybody had a great Christmas holiday. Mine was quite relaxing. Didn't have too much to do in terms of visiting, obviously, with the way the pandemic's going, and it's certainly not getting any better right now. We keep our fingers crossed. Maybe things will get better for our last couple of quadmesters, but you never know. We may be back in for a long haul of virtual learning. All right, we're just about there. So there I am done. So what I'm going to do is I can double click on this file right here, but I generally like to show in folder so I can see what it is I'm looking at. So there is my Xojo setup file. So I'm going to run that. There we go. So I now have my install file. It opens up. And yes, I'm going to click next. This is Xojo version 2.1. Next. I'll create a desktop shortcut. Next. And I will install. Now I'm keeping my fingers crossed that this version doesn't look very different than the original version because all of my tutorial videos were created in the original version. And that's always a little concern with us in tech. We make our instructional videos based on one version, and then usually within a year or two, if not sooner, we have to update. And when we do update, everything looks different, so we'll see how it goes. Oh, my cats are fighting over here. Hey, George. There we go. Broke up a cat fight first thing in the morning. The joys of working from home. Okay, just a few more seconds left here.